Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome back to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Friday, 30th of January. Right, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Right here, we are seeing the 4-hourly charts. We do see that there's a falling trend line where the price has been resisted, still falling, and right now we are seeing a retracement over here. Price came out and got resisted at an exhaustion level, final exhaustion level by the field margin expansion 161.8% for the retracement itself, and it came down a little bit. Right now we're waiting for price to appreciate again back to the same resistance level over here, which is also at the falling trend line itself. To wait for a short opportunity over here. Right, as for the euro against the US dollar, we are seeing the price will still fall further as the European Central Bank begins its QE program. Right, so we're just waiting for price to touch, and if price were to fall further, the next support level we are looking at is 1.105, somewhere at the 1.1 flats. All right, further lower would be 1.0775, final exhaustion level, field margin expansion 161.8%. Alright, so that's pretty much for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price has finally plunged and fell further. Right now, it has formed a falling trend channel. In the 1-hourly chart, that would be more prominent, and therefore, right now, it is already at the bottom of the falling trend channel itself at the support level of 0.7243. Fibonacci expansion level of 141.4%. So we expect the price to retrace at this moment and wait for price to touch the top of the falling trend channel itself to wait for a short opportunity again. Alright. But however, if price were to break above the next resistance level, we're looking at 0.7477. And if that happens, do take note that there might be an inverse head and shoulder forming. Alright, if it happens to break above, touches this resistance level, it might form a inverse head and shoulder just like this. Right. So it depends if price were to fall from here, or whether it will appreciate further. Alright, but anyway, when it got resisted as it fall, the first level we're looking at is 0.7243, followed by the final exhaustion level at 0.7012. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. Price has been supported again at the support level of 1.5046. We are seeing that a rebound is happening over here. Zooming the 1-hourly chart. Alright, so in fact there is already a trade set up to go for a long. So it's either we can go for intraday long over here. Right, the target would be somewhere at 1.5267. Alright, almost touching the top of the channel. Alright, but do take note that price has already fell from the top of the channel, but has yet to touch the bottom of the channel. So on this point itself, we are still seeing the price will fall further. But however, if we were to go for intraday, it is still possible. First level, we're looking at 1.5213, followed by 1.5267. Right, if not, we shall just wait for price to come down again, as it got supported again at the 1.5046 support level. That might be another long opportunity to go for it. However, if price were to fall further, first level we're looking at is 1.4928. Fibonacci expansion level 141.4%, followed by 1.4842. Final exhaustion level is pretty far away, 1.4608. Or rather, before that would be the bottom of the falling trend channel. Alright, next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Yes, we'll see the price has finally fall further from the top of the falling trend channel. Came down, got support at 0.7870, retraced, got resisted at a previous support level of 0.8033. And it began to fall further, breaks lower, touches the Fibonacci expansion level of 141.4%, the price of 0.7714. You will see a rebound right here. So waiting for a retracement all the way back to the top of this falling trend channel that's just been spotted, to go for a short opportunity again, all the way to the top, the bottom of the falling trend channel, or furthermore will be the final exhaustion level, which is 1.8%, the price of 0.7558. Next, we have the dollar against Japanese yen. We are seeing the price has been moving sideways in a very small range itself. Not really small, it's about 100 over pips, 130 pips of range. And right now we are seeing the price is coming down again. So we will just wait for price to get supported again at 117.32, and to go for a long opportunity. Since price has already touched the bottom of a symmetrical triangle, we are waiting for price to touch top of the symmetrical triangle again to see if there's a short opportunity. Right, so over here we're just waiting for price to touch the support level of 117.32 to see if there's a long opportunity. Alright, all the way to the top of the symmetrical triangle. For the first resistance level we're looking at is 1.1894. Right, so that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Finally, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Alright, so price ever since it has plunged after the Swiss National Bank has removed the peg for the for the euro itself, and so price has plunged, and right now we are seeing that price has been retracing and recovering from the plunge itself. Initially formed a probable rising trend channel, but right now we are seeing the price has broken above. It has also broken above one of the final exhaustion level for the retracement at the price of 0.9148. So going forward, we are expecting price to appreciate further to the next level, somewhere close to the Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8%, price of 0.9542, which is also at the Fibonacci expansion level of 141.4%, the price of 0.9512, and of course further will be the final exhaustion level of 1.8%, the price of 0.9687. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. So we can wait for price to come down a little bit, touches the top of the previous probable rising trend channel to go for a long all the way to the first resistance level at 0.8512. Alright, next we have just want to take a look at Aussie against Japanese yen. This is the weekly charts. As we have been saying, that there's a rising trend channel that has formed in the weekly charts for the Aussie against Japanese yen. Price has touched the top, right, and it forms a very strong resistance level over here, and finally is coming down and it's about to touch the bottom of the rising trend channel. This would give a very a very powerful long opportunity. If price got supported over here, there's a trade setup, go for a long. This is potentially a 1,000 over pips of profit. So we're just waiting for price to come down further to this point. Maybe we can just take a look at the smaller time frame. In the 4-hourly chart, we are seeing that price has been falling. I do believe that it has formed something over here. Alright, so it seems that in the 4-hourly chart, it has also created a falling trend channel over here. So we might be expecting price to retrace at this moment before it really touches the bottom of the rising trend channel in the weekly charts. Alright, and finally, I would like to touch on the Aussie against New Zealand dollar. As we know that in the monthly chart, it has touches the lowest based on the history itself since 1997, and we are expecting price to rebound from this moment. A very strong reversal. So this is a daily chart. We do see that there's already a reversal signal followed by confirmation, and it is already appreciating. So in the 4-hourly chart, it has finally formed a rising trend channel. The rental price is somewhere at the bottom of the channel itself. So we are waiting for a setup to go for a long opportunity. In fact, this is somewhere that we can long already, but of course the risk will be slightly huge, at least about 60 over pips. Right, but upside the upside has a very huge potential of hitting more than 150 pips, and if it breaks above, that would be even more. Right. Anyway, based on the day 1 chart itself, the key retracement level is at the retracement level of 61.8%, which is still about 250 pips away. Alright, so this will be a very good long opportunity. Alright, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.